In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have one name on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting right here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to my profile. So I'm tapping on my profile icon, and that brings me to my main profile page. Once I'm on my profile, I'm going to open up the settings. So I'm looking for settings and privacy, and I see it here, so I'm clicking on that to expand the options. Now that it's open, I'm going to look for see more in account center. This is where Facebook manages your account details across profiles. I see it, so I'm clicking on see more in account center. Alright, once that loads, I'm inside the account center. From here, I need to go into personal details. So I'm looking for profiles and personal details, and I'm clicking on that now. Once inside, you'll see your profile listed. At this point, I'm selecting my profile so I can edit the name settings tied to it. Now I'm inside the profile details section, and what we need next is the name option. So I'm clicking on name to open up the name editing screen. Alright, now you'll see fields where you can enter your name. This is where we're going to set a single name. So I'm going to type the new name I want to use in the name field. Once I've entered the name, it may ask to confirm by typing it again. So I'm typing my first name again in the confirmation field to make sure it matches. At this point, everything is filled in, so the next step is to review the change. I'm clicking on review change to proceed. Once that opens, Facebook will show a preview of the name change. I'm just taking a quick look to make sure everything looks correct, and then I'm moving forward. Now I'm clicking on done to finalize the update. And just like that, the name change process is complete. Depending on Facebook's policies, the updated name should reflect your profile after the change is applied. So just to go over it again while we're here, you go to Facebook, open your profile, tap on settings and privacy, go into see more in account center, select profiles and personal details, choose your profile, tap on name, enter your new name, type it again for confirmation, click review change, and then click done. That's the full process, and once it's saved, your profile name will be updated accordingly.